Hi, I want to show you LabChirp, which is a freeware tool you can get from lab.net. And with the net framework you can run it on Windows or Linux if you have Mono, and also on Mac. I'm running Linux and I'm going to show you how it works. So in the command line you can just run mono and then labchirp.exe. And there it goes. It looks a bit dark with my desktop theme. Randomizer is an awesome option. It is even more amazing than BFXR and produces exotic sounds. Unfortunately, the save function is kind of broken. I believe it crashes whenever you move your mouse into the file save selector window. So if you somehow get to open this window without moving your mouse into it, you can just type in the name of a file you want to save it as, and it will save in the same folder. If you happen to know what the problem is, please let me know and I will update this video and description. For now I will just play with the randomizer some more to show you some examples of what can be made with LabChirp. Please go ahead and tell me and the other viewers about your experiences with this software in the comments of this video. And if you have any other tools to share, please let us also know. Enjoy!